Rightio, I'm at Keppel Hut. I'm not hanging around to even look at the hut because the weather's getting nasty, it's getting windy. I come across a few fallen trees on the way here. I was supposed to be leading a big group ride here next week, but I'm going to be changing that route a lot. That was way harder than I remembered. Now it probably won't look as bad on the cameras, but yeah, it was a bloody hard trip here. Lady Talbot Drive was much harder than I remembered. I was more worried about this. This is Keppel Hut track.
Turn right to stay on Keppel Hut track.
Yeah, I was more worried about it. It is pretty hard, but I think Lady Talbot Drive might have been harder. Oh, what the fuck? Shit. Hey. Fuck. There you go. Fuck. Oh, did you? Oh, righto. I might fit under there. Yeah. Fuck. Nah, fuck. Right, I'll try and get through there. Oh, fuck, left the ignition on. Shit. not going to go. Always sinking, that's good. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit hard when it's a double. Oh, thanks guys. Righto, see you later. You can see where trees have been cleared recently.
You're back online. You are on the best route.
Oh,
you
good.
should reach your destination by 12 o'clock.
Okay. I've ended up shortening my route. I don't need to go all the way to Eildon today. That part should be fine. There's another truck I want to check out. There's no way I'm leading 25 bikes through this. Varying degrees of experience. My fault, it was my idea to start with. Oh, bloody hell. Look at this mess. Oh, fucking hell. Am I in the best spot? No. This bit's going to be, tricky. Don't think I chose the best line for that. Anyway, I made it. Oh, I don't remember it being this rocky. That's why I wanted to do a test run, because these tracks change a lot. It was last March or May I think it was. I did it last year. I don't think it was this bad. We're 1300 metres above sea level. We get a lot of snow up here. A lot of strong winds, there's a lot of those bloody trees fall over. Oh, this stuff's pretty tricky too. Oh. Beautiful spot here. This is Black Range Road. We've got Eildon out that way. It's a bit smoky today, so it's hard to see. You've got the Cathedral Ranges over there. There's a Blue Range Road over that side. Anyway, that wind's getting worse and worse, so I'm going to head home. Righto, let's get out of here.
Continue for 28 kilometers.
28? Where the hell are you taking me?